Hey, so I've watched your video and I just replicate that. So I will new chat and say, can you set for the operating system name and try. Okay. So there's a 5 link in here. Actually, you expand this one, you see this is the text that is sent to the workflow, and this is the result that coming back from the workflow. And the agent is actually summarizing the result of this. So let me click into this one and you will see. So this is the workflow that we have. We only have one action, which is Google search, and it is queried by this one. And you can leave it here or you can leave it blank. That's totally no problem. Go here and you say I can search for Android OS and you click run and it should return the top 5 of the information that you put in here. So I suspect that your site is having problem because your pixel key is already out of balance. So what I'm suggesting is go into the history. You will see what is the trigger from it has been done, and you can click on detail. You can see exactly whether it's success or fail and what is the result. So I will do it one more time and starting from the 0 up. So I will go into the new agent. I will search for strap and it's test Google search and I create an agent in here. And going to workflow, I click add workflow and add a workflow new in here. And going to from template, looking for Google search. Let's duplicate this one. So this is the top one. Click add, just remove this copy and add here. Make sure you save it. And absolutely, we need to remove the connection problem in here. So click on that so that it's going to open the workflow and you modify this one and save it. So just to make sure, we go to user input and we test it with the new information that we just config. I will remove this query. I set for best OS in Android. Okay, I can confirm this one is working. It's returned my result already. So you don't need to having other step because the way that you config and add the workflow to agent, this is already working. Save. I think this is a small issue. We need to find it out. And you new chat and say, hey, can you search for OS Android and write a blog post about it. So it will call this one and then it will return. So it's latest news and feature about Android. And the result is return is some top 5 link. And this is the blog post that is create out of that. So that's just simple how you work with the agent. You can press save and or maybe you can just write this into system. So later I just give you a topic and you write a blog post for me. Okay, so this one is the system prompt that I asked it to instruct itself. I copy here, I paste here, and I save. And later on, I will just new chat and say, write about Apple. Okay, so firstly, what it does is that it's going to search latest news from Apple Inc. and also search result, and it just starting to write information. Yeah, that's how you set up your agent with very simple tool, which is Google Search, and instruct it, save it as a system prompts, and yeah, you can publish this as well. We can make it public as an embedded form or maybe an iframe in here. Let me show you how you use this one. You can copy this and you can go into your website. I just make a sample. It's this tool. You can just paste here. You click run, and it show up here. So I will say write about Tesla. Yeah, it will go into thinking. Okay. And it will going to write about thinking about Tesla. Yeah, that's how you publish this agent into a widget so that other people can use. Yeah, I think that pretty much it. Yeah, thanks a lot. Bye.